Here we go.
Hello, this is Ronald Reagan and Lily and Jackson. What cool names do you guys want?
Jack
I want Tank
and
Bodie.
No. Jacqueline Dunford and Bodie Davis.
Bodie Davis and
Jacqueline
Tank.
Dunford.
Goodbye. We'll see you in another second. We're sneaking out of the back
Jacqueline
so we can go have fun. Let's go. Shut up.
Bodie Davis is
Woo! Now we are going outside. Come on, kids. Leave the door open or we will get locked out.
Did you want to come on our adventure?
No.
Come on, you're hurrying. Get the dogs inside. I mean, get the puppies inside the house. They're on top of the car right now. Look, they are on top. I am in the street, and it is night. Kids, we are going this way now. Oh no, there's a car. We have to scare it.
I was not on top of a car.
Hello, we are going to Doorbell Ditch, and it is night, so my face is not visible to your eyes.
We are going to
Doorbell Ditch, the taggies.
Taggy.
There is Bibbly Boo. I mean, and there
Jacqueline
is Tank.
Dunford.
Good,
Jacqueline
but
Dunford.
She is not Jacqueline.
And
She thinks
Jacqueline.
she is. Shut up. You're not. I am running. I am running now. My name is Ronald Reagan. I'm a president, but I am dead. Now we're going somewhere else. Look, it's a stoplight. It shines light for a road in the night. Now I'm running again. It is dark, so you can't see her, but she is dancing on a pole. When you hit the pole, you're dancing on it, and you're a pole dancer. Body kid, he is very handsome for all you single ladies.
Bella, are you ready?
You have these single ladies. All of the single ladies.
She's in her Ronald Reagan outfit. Okay.
Walking away from the house, we doorbell ditched. There's a person there. Goodbye. It's a kitty.
That little puffy thing.
It is a cat. Walking down the street, and there's a woman on the phone, but she cannot hear us.
That must be Jackson's mom.
That's okay. They did not know she was not in the house. Goodbye, little. No, you can stay. No, don't touch, child. Just keep it there, child, and you videotape him walking.
Walking. Jackson.
Please don't be outside or we will get arrested. We're coming outside of their house.
I'm scared.
So we had to run.
We have to run very
There's
fast.
poop on my out of a butt. Walk. She is walking. Her name is Boobly Boo. Boobly Boo, keep walking. There is Bodie, but it is dark, so you can't identify his face.
Bella. Okay, I won't be Bodie, I'll be Carly.
We are walking, and I am very scared because we could get in bug trouble.
No, we can't get in that much
Well,
trouble.
it's pretty fun, but you know.
Just a
Well,
little.
see ya.
Walking.
The house. That is a house. House! Now we are home safe. It is okay. We did not get arrested. We are safe. Way to go, doorbell ditching! Doorbell ditched successfully. Doorbell ditching!
Goodbye.
Adios, amigos.
Goodbye. It is over now. Done! Done!